and we're on the move.
Gotta keep the 5G out. Safe from 5G, everyone.
I love it. Hello, Bella, the girl. Hello, Heather. How are ya? I've got to get this thing.
It's like a hat shop. That one's too small.
Oh.
That one's just right.
Oh no, I've just gone
Totally
crazy.
zoomed in.
Yep.
One of
Oh, there we go.
the, we're using bean sprouts tonight, people.
Pin. Oh, there it is. Pin. So we're pinned. Hello, Ezzy. How are ya? Ned. You're bloody bang on time too, which is fantastic. Vicky. Yay. Ronnie Williams. Yay. Tress. Amazing. Look at you guys all coming in on
Uncle
time.
Ronnie.
Good to see you, Uncle Ronnie. That's fantastic. And Vic, miss seeing you. Lovely. Vicky's one of our. Hello, Smiley. Can you please send me your address so that I can post you that gift card? Yeah, miss not seeing you at the pub. So,
Miss not being at the pub.
miss not being at the pub. But yeah, exactly. I'll just go grab those gift cards because we're going to give another one away tonight.
Oh, you didn't tell me who the winner was.
It's Thursday, but I'll show you what I did do, guys, is that, I know that it's back to front, but I got a multi one so that you can actually go to First Choice Liquor or Liquorland.
Don't do that. Buy food and redo our dishes.
You know, well, you should, but, you know, just sort of keeping it all happy for everybody. Hello, Rails. How are you, Gorge? Good to see you too. And... oh, it's Rach. It's not Ronnie. It's Rach Williams.
Oh, okay, Rach.
Good to see you, hon. That's fantastic. And I'm with Dad, though. There you go. Hello,
That's
Michelle. Nice. So Michelle Ryan's just joined us, which is perfect time. Cup and Spooner here too. John Atherton. Hi, John. So I'll quickly just show you, because we got a... oh, my goodness. Check this out. I wanted to save it to open it with you guys. Look at this. It's a scoop away box. Oh my God. So we are going to just quickly clear.
Scoop and weighs a lot, box.
It does weigh a lot. So this is
do this now.
Our lovely Michelle. I'm just going to quickly open it, and because Michelle was saying there's a couple of sort of instructions and bits and pieces in there. So I thought we'll quickly have a look at it all together. And the traditional scoop and weigh colours. Oh, more scoop and weigh. Oh, look what she's done. You're a superstar, aren't you? Hey, Deb, how are you? Sherry, Christy, hey, Gorge. Bernie Teasdale as well. Awesome.
Oh, wow.
Mel, how are you? So, I think there was, here we go. Mystery box.
Jodie Ann loves these.
I got licorice also.
And they're massive.
And
Oh, mustics. Little mini ones as well.
I got licorice also. It's mini ones. This is the new thing for Scoop and Weigh, guys. At Coles, they've got a lolly bar now in some places. But the important bit for you guys is that we've got cranberry sprinkle. I don't know what that. Oh, pumpkin seeds. So
Yum.
mystery box products. We've got
Pine
cranberries
nuts. I love roasting pine nuts.
and a cranberry sprinkle. So I don't know what we're going to come up with for that, but we'll come up with something. Hello, Rhonda Littlewood. Oh my goodness. From Tektronic. Haven't seen you for ages. Good to see you.
Hello, hello.
Ronnie's watching on Facey now, so that's fantastic. And awesome. Now,
There's some really good stuff in here.
we'll show you as, well, tip it up, hold it up, if you can.
Did-
Oh, did you? Sorry. Lollies. Hey, and we're going to have a movie night tonight after.
Oh, that just improved movie night.
Yeah, so this is awesome. Thank you.
I broke my
Michelle.
tractor today, so my poor boss, who's been working his butt off, running around after 3 tractors for over a month now.
They're both broken.
Yeah, I broke my tractor today. Well, I didn't break it,
It broke.
it got tired.
All right.
So I get to have a bit of a late night with the missus.
So we're going to watch a movie. Mick's going to make me some popcorn and...
So we will come up with a recipe for that, Michelle.
Yeah.
We're going to come up with something. Pine nuts, definitely too easy. Love pine nuts. But go to the Scoop and Weigh, because if you're ever doing a recipe and you want an idea to throw in there, the good thing about Scoop and Weigh is you can go in there and buy 50 grams to try it.
Exactly what the recipe says, rather than having to buy 80 grams when the recipe says 50 or whatever the case may be.
And there's lots of yummy things in there. Healthy and maybe not 100% healthy, but everything's healthy in quantity.
Exactly right. Okay,
So, tonight, we literally did let's have a look in the fridge and see what we can
get rid of.
Because
it's to take up space.
So for all you diehards, there is some tricky stuff coming up. Jodie and I have been busy in this very location.
We have next
cooking
week.
up a little treat that you will see on TV.
Next week. We will let you know some more details when they come to hand and what time and where and all that sort of stuff.
We had a little bit of fun.
Heaps of fun.
So we have a few leftover things from that particular cook and we thought we'd use some of them.
Yep.
We'd probably love to do what we did on the day. Would be
we
fun.
will do what we did on the day at a later date when we're allowed to.
Because it was really good and quick and easy. But we ended up with a lot of capsicum left over and we ended up with some chicken left over.
So I called it refrigerator pad thai. Who doesn't like pad thai? But I called it refrigerator pad thai because it's a good way to clean your refrigerator. Is all I thought. So no sort of anything clever about that. So Mick's going to get started with some capsicum, some onion. This is a hunk of red cabbage that I've had for
cabbage is always a really good.
It was marked down.
Use up the space.
Yep.
What's that there?
Don't know.
All right. Keep going with the bin.
Looks like a piece of top of a tomato, actually.
So, because I always, whenever I do capsicum, I love 3 colours.
Carrot that's starting to grow a bit of finery, so we're going to use that as well. So this, I reckon this recipe is, it's really simple, but we could have thrown, there's so much other stuff that you could throw in this. Traditionally, pad thai is sort of fairly basic. It's chicken and prawns often. We're just going with chicken. And it doesn't have all that much in it, depending on which recipe that you want to follow.
Speaking of which, doesn't have much in it. Let's get.
We're going to put lots of stuff in it though, so that we've got enough left over for a couple of days.
You don't have to have heaps in it, but it's good for the leftovers. So noodles.
Rice noodles. So they will just cook on their own. I only want those to cook for about 5 minutes before I take them out of water, but they are literally cooked in that bowl with some boiling water from the kettle. And it's all about the sauce with the pad thai, so I'm going to put a quick sauce together. And you can buy pad thai sauce, but you know, not that it's cheating, but when you can buy, this is what you basically, tamarind paste is what the basis of. Hey Trev, how are you? Darren's here, Darren Bowman. He's going to specifically buy a pressure cooker to make our risotto. So,
good risotto. And pressure cookers are good for heaps of stuff. It pushes flavour into food.
Colette's here. We were talking about it today, trying to get him onto something good. But that's your start. Hello, Coles. John Vincent, that's nice. Jakey. Tamarind paste, and then the rest's really simple. And you can use tamarind paste for other stuff as well. It's sort of got a soury kind of taste to it. So pad thai is about sweet and sour-ish. Hard to explain, but you know, it's
got a bit of that umami sort of a thing going on, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's delish. So, all right, it's
So I'm going really hard on the capsicum in ours tonight. Wouldn't normally probably have this much capsicum in there, but
we've got a lot to get rid of.
Having some char grilled capsicum is always beautiful in a dish. Nice thin long strips. Plenty of colour, plenty of flavour when you give it that nice burnt bottom. So it'll probably be one of the first things to get into the wok and get some colour into it. Make sure you cut that flesh out.
Nothing worse than a burnt bottom, really, normally. 2 tablespoons of everything except brown sugar, so that's where our sweet comes in. Fish sauce, don't panic about the fish sauce, it adds the flavour. 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And you know, most of you should have fish sauce. This is just a home brand one, so if you haven't got fish sauce, get it. It's essential for Asian dishes anyway. 2.
Already, something about cutting 3 colour capsicum. And
is there enough green? I'm feeling the need for more green.
More green?
One more.
And I have got different flavours, your 3 different colours too, so it just adds another depth. So it's colour and flavour.
Exactly. 2 of the oyster sauce as well. Again, it's just a home brand one, so you know they're cheap and they're always yummy to have. What do we do with oyster sauce? We've already done a recipe with oyster sauce from memory. I don't know. We've done that many of these cooks now. It's starting to not blend into one because we love catching up with you guys, but I sort of didn't expect that we'd be still catching up twice a week. It's so good.
COVIDing.
Yeah. But the
I was
other
going to
thing,
knock off work early tonight, come home and COVID, cook with yous. And I didn't have to, didn't crack the break, so.
yeah. And we've sort of been having the discussion, I don't know whether we'll be cooking still after COVID, you know, because it was all about COVID cooking, the fact that you can't go anywhere and you've got to cook from home and eat in and all that sort of stuff. So give us your thoughts on what you think. You know, you're going to be sick of us? Do we still keep going once COVID's off and all that sort of stuff?
We
Obviously,
might get back to a normal busy life again, you realise?
we might. Hopefully we will. We hope to be filming our TV show come September. That's in 100% honest to goodness. So, okay, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar.
I forgot, what day is it?
Thursday.
Thursday, isn't it?
It's COVID cooking class day. That's how I remember the days. I don't know the date. I had to check. I literally had to check on my computer today for a date. You know, it's nearly the end of the month, guys.
So I'm going to put a brown onion in here. I was going to go for a red onion myself. I think that would be the go. But this is what we've got. This is what we're going to use.
That's it. Put the brown sugar away. Okay. So.
Now, when it comes to cutting onions, everyone's got all their different things about about the crying thing. I personally reckon that one of the big tier savers is leaving that end on for as long as you possibly can. So it's the, what's that end called?
The root.
The root. Leave the root for as long as you can. I tried not to smirk when I said that.
I'm not quite sure what you mean.
And I'm pretty good with tiers on onions, and I reckon that is definitely a part of it. I haven't tried all the freezers and what do I say? Put it in the freezer for 10 minutes, and who's got
Really?
the room for that?
I heard that one.
And I've cut up literally massive amounts of onions.
You
Remember
did
we
10
the barbecue?
kilos.
10 kilos of onions.
We did the fundraiser, guys. You know how we were doing the wildlife carers. We were looking after the wildlife carers. Mick did 10 kilos of onions. So yeah, that was pretty full. Okay, so my sauce is ready. So
Just strips, then cut the end off.
Yeah.
Break your strips up.
That's that. I might do this.
Look, being braised, not
carrot.
right.
You are such a strong human being, Michael, aren't you?
No tears. Big boy now.
So I'm gonna, with this carrot, I'm not gonna peel it, and I've got a bizarre sort of grater. I'm just gonna see how it goes to start with. Oh yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So it's sort of like a little matchsticky thing. Probably a bit thin, so I might keep these separate from the other veggies because these will cook really quickly. But I like the effect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Show you what I would have liked to have done.
You can tell
I
we're
love
making this
my
up
mandolin from Lynn.
We're making this up on the fly.
Of course we are.
We haven't even tried this recipe. What did you want to
Well,
do?
I was going to.
You can grab another carrot.
I can. Can I?
Yeah.
Jodan's going to let me use another carrot, everyone.
We'll have a carrot off, see which one works out better. They're both going to have to go in though, once they've been cut up, might as well. That'd be wasteful. Don't you like that?
No.
It's not that you don't like it, it's just you think yours is going to be better.
Yep.
Yeah. Cool. Alright. Then I'm going to get some heat.
Just give it a wipe off. I'm going to go a really big diagonal cut around about halfway along the carrot. Like so. And then I'm going to run them down the mandolin.
Oh my goodness, you be so careful. You go on the fat side?
Thin.
Oh, okay.
And I reckon they'll be nice in there.
Well, I'm happy to chuck them in. They look alright. You're not going to cut it up or anything?
No. They'll
Is
go
that
a
in there?
little bit soft, a little bit crisp.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good. I'm happy with that. Okay, cool. Well, I'm going
Little
to
bit
pop
for
the
me.
on. So it'll take about 5 minutes and they want to drain. I'm going to get the heat on under the pan. I can't get the drawer out. That is pretty cool, isn't it?
That is pretty cool, isn't it? So a beer for that.
Oh, maybe you're on a drawer. What's wrong with me? Oh, where'd you put the lighter?
Yep. Oh, yeah. Got some fire?
Yes, please. Just do a quick, while that's heating up, I'll do a quick
Hello?
check. And Tracy, I'm seeing, hello mummy, oyster sauce is lovely over wilted silver beet. Yes, it is. Eddie Olmec, how the hell are you, pal? From that radio show, we love him.
Eddie's a bit of a cook fiend. He loves cooking.
Does he?
See him quite a bit with
Dress
the
sent, thanks,
loves
Smiley.
baking bread and stuff too, I reckon.
Yep. Now, who else do I need? I need Tracy. I need your address too, Gorge, because I've got a card for you as well. Mum says hi, Flossie. That's my nickname. Des Bowman. Oh, nice. Excellent. Tamsin, how are you? Mrs. Tuckers.
Don't want that bit, Yucky.
Rolling baby chairs.
Don't want that bit, Yucky.
Okay. Never get sick of you two. Oh, thanks, Heather. Yes, I would love to see you bring us some more yummy recipes. Thank you, Deb. Rosa is a bit late today. Sorry, I've got my kids over for dinner. Oh, that's fair enough. Say hi to the kids. Kelly has joined as well. Got no sound, got no sound. Bugs Bunny. I wonder what that's about. Sorry, guys. See you on Monday. I have my kids here before they head off. Oh, fair enough. Cool. Thanks for dropping in, though, hun. Shari Butcher. How are you, my darling? I was talking to your mum the other day. Mel, good to see you too. And right, okay.
We're gonna.
Hi,
Put in
Michael.
there.
Mum just said.
Hey, Ma.
Okay.
Hope you're well.
I think she's pretty good.
Pretty good.
She's pretty good.
You're not quick.
Ooh.
Let's.
I need to do some. Ooh, we're going to have to close that door again, I dare say. She's going to smoke a ton. Pop
Turn
that
the
over
flame
there
down a
for
bit, maybe.
2 seconds. Yeah, I will. But I need the chicken first, and I haven't done the chicken. So we're going to quickly cut
I'm gonna do
some.
that on yours rather than mine, in case I cut anything up.
Cool. I'm just going to go with nice, long,
Can I give this a drizzle of oil, please?
thin strips. You can. Nice thin strips of chicken, and I'm going to keep them all intact. So this is just one breast, right? You could use thigh. We would normally have thigh, but as we said, it's just that we had some chicken left over from our little secret venture.
We've changed our thing today. We're
You can tell we're
all over
fumbling
the
around
place.
here, can't you? What's going on?
No.
Don't know what the hell we're doing.
On the fire, baby.
There we go.
What was I going to do? I was going to do a little bit of
It's like being in the jungle, watching animals in their native
seasoning in
environment.
there.
You're watching us in our native environment. That's hilarious. Wash that off.
We need to redo that pepper. Do a
As
bit
in
more
it's
of a blitz.
empty.
No, just do a bit more of a
Oh,
blitz.
too fat, yeah. I did think that myself. Alright, wait for that to get hot again. Cools down pretty quick. Gonna cook the chicken, take the chicken off.
Gotta get my hands in here. Give it a good coating.
Then I'm going to cook the veggies. Then we're going to add the sauce. Then we're going to add some noodles. Done. Recipe finito.
I reckon carrots just can go in, or you want to put them a little bit later?
No, those ones will be
Those will
okay.
be fine.
Mine won't
Cool.
be.
We'll them coated.
Yeah. Oh, now we're a bit low probably. Oh no, we're starting to smoke. Smoke it! I feel like you can't see the wok in the Facebook one. So we better check that. That's the sound we want.
We've got nice colour there. I'm going to swing you guys over here. Hold on. Don't fall
There we
over.
go.
Hope no one fell over when I moved you. But yeah, we've got good colour going on in there.
Now so you can also go with more chicken if you want. you know, our standard. There's no science. Just
That's
about
what you've
we've got.
You can say that at the same time.
Yeah. As Nick said, he wanted to bulk it out, so we've got more. So he's put more capsicum in.
And we've used the capsicum. We've still got more capsicum to go. So
that's good though. That's awesome. We'll do some of these jiggers now. Do you love rice noodles? I love rice noodles. I love pad thai, I've got to say. It's so delicious. I'm going to chuck some water in there.
we will. So I've already boiled our kettle.
Beautiful. I want the chicken just done. You don't want it cooked because it's going to go back in the pan, obviously. So I don't want it cooked all the way through or to its, you know, end point.
It'll cook probably enough just going back in the pan, really.
It will.
So this is just to give it a sear.
Nice. Good flavour. There you go. Roger. Look at that.
I wanted to season the chicken and so forth. Jodie Ann said, nah, won't need it.
It's all about the sauce, guys. I promise you. And
But all you do is when she's not looking is you just throw a little bit of seasoning on there.
Get those in as well. Beautiful. Love Asian. I love pad thai. Man, I love pad thai. Beautiful. Okay.
Now, I was thinking
Were you?
we were going to do some nuts in this, but how do you feel about maybe just roasting some pine nuts?
No. It's about peanuts and I
Like
want
it's my
salted.
life.
Yeah.
No.
I want
We have a pool?
a pool. No.
No, the plane.
No. Yeah, well, you know, maybe on the plane. What was the other thing you also always want? A dam.
I want a dam. Damn it, I want a dam.
No dam.
I want a dam full of yabbies, and we can eat them.
And so I'm going to then follow up with some veg. I'm going to throw in a bit more oil.
How many nuts do you think you want me to cut up?
I reckon a little bit more than that.
A bit more than
So
that?
these are just like these are Nobby's nuts. My uncle Nobby, nibble Nobby's nuts before Nobby nibbles yours. That guy. And yeah, the salty because they're roasted nuts. I did have plain nuts in the cupboard, but then I would have had to toast them. But, and I actually think the salt on this will be amazing. So, perfect. Perfect, I gotta say. Oh, veg, here we go. Bang on some more heat there. Lovely. That does look awesome. The colours. Oh, you can actually see on the facing, which is good. Let that do its thing. You're like a speed chopper these days, aren't you?
That's all you let me do.
You're good at it.
Alright, so they're happening.
They're happening. So I'm going to let some heat happen on that for a bit. Quickly check
Let
on.
them sit. So when you're doing your veggies, you let them sit for a little bit. You'll get a bit of a nice
Thank
charred
you.
grill on one side of them, which is nice.
Lenny! Yay!
Lenny?
Lynn on Facebook!
Lenny,
So
I've just used your mandolin, Lynn. Just saying, my favourite mandolin from Lynn.
it's our Lenny from MKR, guys. So, and Flo! Yay! He says, hello, Tiama is off. Frank Panita! Oh my god! How are you, Gorge? Everyone's joining. Frank was at our wedding, so I'm with, yeah.
Who was at our wedding?
Frank.
Oh, how you going, Frank?
I'm glad that you've joined us because we've been a
Fellow
little bit worried
pilot.
about you. Yes, he is.
She just said she might let me have a plane, Frank.
Yes. It's all about the money. Sending happy thoughts your way. And oh, nice. God love it. See, everyone's chatting to each other. Bev, hello, Gorge. Chicken meats. Kieran, how are you, pal? Okay. I want to do something with your sausages, Kieran. You know how you've got your amazing sausages?
Oh, we've got some ideas, remember?
Mm-hmm.
Remember?
I do want to talk to you.
Yes.
So that's awesome. Now we'll get these melted down.
So all we've done here is just boil the kettle, noodles straight in. Then you've got to sit there, JD and said, 5 minutes.
So once they're ready to go, we want them
Drain.
in the strainer and then cold water on top so that they don't stick to each other.
I reckon I can organise that.
And that's all good. I'm going to let that go for a bit. Awesome. Yum. I love peanut. Salted peanut, particularly. Grouse oak. So there's not much more to do with this, guys. We're literally just going to chuck the chicken back in, add the noodles, got a
Sauce.
tin of bean sprouts as well.
We've already drained.
Yep. Garlic I will put in when I actually no. Oh no! You know what else we've got to do? Eggs. Got to scramble some eggs. So
Gonna make a hole.
yep. So we need those whisked. Maybe our little Coles gift cards. Don't forget to cook food, guys. Thank you to Kel. I don't know if Kelly's joined us yet, but our beautiful Kelly from Coles, who sponsors our gift cards for us, which is awesome.
Hang on to our egg card.
Kangaroo flat.
Friends with
Yep.
chops.
So Kelly was our store manager at Coles Echuca when we actually did our when we went on MKR. So, and from the day we met, we knew that we were going to be long-term friends. So she put
Really the best whisk I can find here, isn't it? No, it's not. There it is.
these on there. Doesn't need to be.
I was going to use a fork, but I thought, you know.
Yeah. That's what I
Do you want any seasoning in your egg?
No, not going to matter. So we're literally going to just throw the egg in the centre of the veggies and give it a stir around, so it's going to be a bit like a scramble inside.
I like having a little,
There's no big secret to, that's how the Chinese places do it as well, unless they're doing an omelette.
what we're doing is an omelette and then breaking it up in there.
Yeah. Starting to get there. Awesome. I feel like it's taking forever, but it's actually not.
No.
We didn't muck around at the start for ages, which is fun.
And this is also one of those dishes that tastes great the next day.
Flo says, I love you guys, you're amazing. Well, we think you are too. And Quartz. Hello, Quartz. How are you, beautiful?
Any recommendations for a Netflix movie, guys?
Oh, thumbs up from Kieran about the snaggers.
Yeah,
so I
we've got
should
a
ring
great
you or
idea,
ring
I reckon.
me or something. I'm terrible at bloody. I had a message on my phone for Kieran, and I'd never hit send, and it was about a month ago. So I literally sent it to him the other day. Hopeless.
So Karen also 100% got behind us with our charity for the bushfire wildlife carers.
So
Really
much.
Helped us big time with our barbecue, so I really appreciate that.
With about 5,000 kilos of sausages.
He
and
also supplied us
gave
with
us
our
his-
meat for MKR.
He did, and he gave us the cool room for a week, and just so much other stuff. He's always there for us.
Yep.
Very supportive. And so when we say, you know, just go to your local butcher and ask, that's who
That's
we.
the name we asked.
Yeah.
I think we threw him off a little bit when we told him we were going to do individual beef Wellingtons.
Yeah, we did.
We probably should have taken that as a hint.
Yeah. Yeah, speak up, Kieran.
Yeah,
Speak
Karen,
up.
you idiots, don't do that.
Why don't we do an individual, as it turns out? Whoop those out, I reckon.
Whoop those out.
Whoop those out, love. I'm happy with that because I still want a bit of integrity in these peppers. What do you reckon?
A little bit, just long as you leave them sit so that they get a good bit of a char. I like that bit of a char on them, even in a stir fry.
Like that. Couple of more seconds then. Oh, I'll put the other carrot in. I might not use all of it though, it's a lot. Mind you though, God, for what's left. Go again, really. Just chuck it in. So really, like I talk to myself a lot. And, you know, I'll be doing something. And I'll be doing something and then I'll stuff it up or whatever, and then I'll yell at myself and say, "You're a dickhead." And
Then I'll go crook it and say that's my wife you're speaking to.
and I love that. Do you mind? That's my wife you're speaking to, he says.
So I have actually hit those noodles with cold water. So, you know, even if you had some ice water, just to blanch them so they hold their integrity.
Stop the cooking process.
Because they are going to get cooked again.
Righto.
And they're a pretty good chewy consistency.
I'm going to part this blue sea here.
So Joni's made a hole in the middle. Egg in.
Beautiful. And then I'm going to swirl her around, even in between all the veggies and stuff, and sort of see what's going on, can't you? Get it up there and round about. Because the dish isn't about the egg, it's just about literally getting those nice little speckles all the way through. Give that a bit of a scrapey.
Stirry, stirry, scrapey, mixy.
Mixy. That's you. Mix. Oh, we need to do your mix. So anyone that's stayed with us on a weekend or whatever, when Mick, because Mick always does one breakfast meal over the weekend, and we call it mix because again it's empty in the fridge. And how good are they? Your
I
mix
enjoy the mix.
Yeah, everyone enjoys your mix.
Nearly always consists of egg, potato, veggies,
Yep. Right.
bacon.
Look at that.
So the egg's broken up in there quite well. Looks good.
Egg. That's it. Alright.
Where's the sauce?
So the sauce will go in. I'm going to put the chicken back in. You're going to put the noodle. Put in your noodle. Then I'm going to do the sauce. I'm going to back off some of the heat.
There you go. Oh, there's someone ringing us during the...
Tanzania. That's disconnected. Sorry. So that was a phone call from Tanzania. Highly likely that it was dodgy.
asking for a recipe.
So sorry, Instagrammers. It's been happening for about 5 days now.
These in?
Yep.
I love these bean sprouts.
I've left the garlic
These
out.
and water chestnuts.
Beautiful.
Love them. Love them.
Right.
Is that what they use when they do spring rolls?
Which?
Bean
Bean
shoots.
shoots?
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, I'd say so.
I want to make spring rolls.
Roger. We can do that.
I want to make spring rolls.
I've got spring roll wrappers.
Well, let's make spring rolls.
I'm going to
Do you
stir
taste
this
the sauce?
through. Oh, be careful. You can, but I doubt that it's going to be nice when it's raw. Mind you, it's got the salt, the sugar and stuff in it, so
It's very strong,
of course it is.
but it's got a long way to mix through there.
Yep. And I'm kind of, because we've increased the quantities of all the veggies, we probably could have gone more of this sauce, but I think what we'll do is add a bit of water.
You know what I was thinking would be nice to finish it off, and you'll always have your opinion. I reckon
You know me so well.
it's usually the opposite. That's why they're a good team. I reckon it'd be good with a squeeze of lime juice over the top.
Oh.
It gets finished off.
Yeah, beautiful.
Mm.
There's
So,
Deb
there's
gave
Ollie.
me. I've got limes in a big bag in the pantry room.
Okay.
Yeah, Deb gave me a whole. Deb, my hairdresser. Gave me a whole stack of it.
They look like lemons to me.
Yeah, I know, because they've lost their green. Is all.
Wow.
Oh, you didn't know that happened?
Imagine being a lion going out one day and go, oh bugger, I lost my green. My shoelace coming up.
That's like. So here's a fun fact, guys. I had when I met Mick, I had a goldfish whose name was Gil. I know, good, huh?
Brought him back to life about 10 times.
I think I did bring him back to life 4 or 5 times, but anyway, you know how they bloat
You're
and float.
staggering there, aren't you?
So I'm just trying to be very careful.
You should have gone the bigger wok.
I should have, but I didn't realise that you were going to go so many veggies. It doesn't matter. We'll be right. You can do the stirry if you like. It's starting to look amazing already though. And I'm not used to cooking up this high, love. Flat 5'3". Anyway, so I had Gil, and he, you know the fish with the big bulgy eyes, they're black, and they're called black moors. Well, I had Gil in a overgrown plant pot that I turned into a fish bowl, so it wasn't glass. So he got only light from over the top, not from all around. And after, how long did it take? About 7 years. And he went gold.
Didn't go gold, you went orange.
Well, like a goldfish. And yeah, it was so bizarre. So I asked the vet about it, just when we were there with one of the dogs or something like that. And he said, yeah, it's because he didn't have any light. So how bizarre is that?
Now, we're not going to tell you the answer, but we'll see if anyone knows what this thing's called, because we recently learnt what this thing's called.
Oh.
We recently.
So, yeah, ask
see
the
if
question.
anyone knows what one of these things is called.
And what I will tell you, no, I won't say anything actually, because I bet you everyone will say what I said.
Does it look like a duck's bill?
That looks pretty funny. Oh my god.
Squeeze the lime.
I reckon on the plate once
On the
we've
plate?
finished, yeah. So we'll
You got it,
transfer
lady.
that out.
How about some nuts?
No, on the plate.
Really?
Yeah. So pull the
Wow.
bowl out. All that. We'll clear all this stuff off.
All right, get rid of that. Don't put that on the chicken thingy.
It's going in the
Oh,
bin.
you finished, haven't you?
Bin.
See, you guys get to see all this fun dish and everything, and then guess who gets the
We
big
do.
clean up later?
We do. We're pretty good though. We clean up straight away. Once you guys are gone. Okay. There you go.
That
Look at the
goes in
sauce
the
in the bottom.
recycle.
So there you go. We actually didn't need any more. Look at that amount of sauce in the bottom. There's actually quite
Goes a
bit
long
there.
way.
Yeah. So that's good. All right. Now I did forget to put the garlic in, guys. So I'll tell you whether or not it needed it once we taste it. Once we taste it, I don't think it's going to matter, to be honest.
I used to love garlic and everything. I reckon in a lot of things lately, I'm sort of like, it's kind of an easy way out. You know, it's one of those, it's nearly an MSG. People go, ooh, I love the garlic in it.
I reckon this will look fab.
So do I, that's what I said. I thought it looked good on the black plate.
Righto. Well, that's all steaming now, which means that my chickens come back up to temperature. My noodles are done. I'm happy with the sauce, so I'm going to let you do the tippy over.
Yeah, so what would you use for a garnish? Was there any, what?
I've got carrot, but that's good. We want moisture. All right. Okay. Olivia Mitchell, how are you? Sal! So, Lynn and Sal! Stop it! Mwah! How are you, gorgeous?
It's like seeing Batman and Robin at the same time.
How cool! Jess, oh, you've been at work, I'm tipping, honey. I don't know.
This
the
is
proper name,
huge.
It's a juicer of some sort. It is a juicer. You are dead right, but it does have a name. Stewie, hello, lovely.
Someone will Google it.
Look at that. That is a lot of food, guys. That's probably, it's easy 4 people, but probably 5 to 6 depending.
And that's
on
leftovers.
Okay, so
That's a good fridge clean out.
so nobody guessed what that is called.
No, we'll have to leave them guessing.
No, you have to tell them because it's totally bizarre.
If I was Mexican.
It's called a Mexican elbow. Who would have thought? And the person that told us that, we know is, well, we can
Probably
trust.
pretty good with her stuff.
Yes.
Sprinkle?
It was actually Annalisa. You met her last week on
Sprinkle?
Thursday.
Sprinkle?
Monday. Yeah, beautiful. Just chuck it all on. Oh, yeah, maybe not all. That looks fantastic! Stop it.
I still reckon roasted pine nuts would have been nice, straight from our friends at Skipping Way.
Courtney goes, how would I know the technical name? Do you even know me? We do, hun. Well, it could have been amazing if you had known it. I didn't know it, you know, and I think I know a fair bit about food.
So there we go. A real quick, easy fridge clean out pad thai.
Look at, I mean, that's massive, guys, isn't it? Look how much food is there.
Well, that's a good thing about pad thai. How good is it the next day?
Smells awesome.
Look, we have a big fork and a Jodienne fork.
Yep, I can't do a big fork.
Jodienne doesn't do big forks.
Now you can do this with pork mince, you can do it with chicken mince, you can do it with chicken thighs, like I said. Totally up to you. That is so much food. Ready?
I'd like to go and visit the neighbours.
I'm having a crack. And you've juiced, haven't you?
Yep.
Yum. Oh God, it's gonna be hot.
Got some colour into the noodles.
Yum!
That works.
And the lime,
Lime is a must.
smash
Good
that.
lime. Lime's good.
I wouldn't have done that, so that's awesome. Yum!
You're welcome.
Yum, I just got a piece of peanut too. That's beautiful. Oh. Wow.
You know what? My first dish, mouth was beautiful. I didn't have chicken. I don't care.
Fine. God, guys, seriously. Now, I'll have the recipe up pretty quickly, hopefully. There was no recipe to put up last week. From Monday from the steak. Now, Nellie, one of our very good friends and obviously a very big fan, did our steak on Tuesday, and she said, absolutely perfect, will not change anything. And Nellie would say to you guys in person,
And they're big barbecues
she's not a
too.
cook. So, yeah, she just joined. That is so bizarre.
Sorry guys,
Hey,
I meant because
beautiful.
it's beautiful.
I was just talking about you, Nellie, that you did the steaks last night or the night before. So, yeah. So definitely give the steak thing a try. There was no recipe to put up, obviously. Oh, something about yabbies, Mel. No to pine nuts, Mick, but I'll give you a yes on the yabbies. Awesome.
I do the best yabbies.
He
You
does.
can even ask Joe Griggs on that one.
Yeah.
Look up our episode when I cooked up yabbies on Better Homes and Gardens.
Yes.
It's pretty unique the way I cooked them, and they were to die for.
This is good, guys.
This is very good. Very good. I think if you served this up to anyone, they'd be more than happy. I honestly would probably like to see a little bit more flavour in the chicken. Have you had a bit of chicken yet?
I haven't. I don't think that the garlic would have gone astray
With the chicken?
in the recipe. So I
Just
did
feel
write.
like the chicken could have done with something and maybe a little bit smaller pieces.
I did write the recipe with garlic, so I will be posting the recipe with garlic. So yeah.
I'd only feel like the garlic
And cut
would have
the
helped the
pieces
chicken,
smaller.
but other than that, and don't get me wrong, I'm being real critical.
Oh, here we go. I'm just going to have that piece of chicken.
Yeah,
on
have
the
the
side.
chicken, tell me what you think.
It's fully loaded with the sauce. That piece. So, yum.
Really nice dish, guys.
Happy days. So, getting to cook the yabbies, Mick, from John.
When yabbies are back in season, I will do the yabby dish, not a problem at all.
Oh my God.
But yabbies are actually getting really hard to get onto. The authorities are making it harder to fish for yabbies,
Yeah,
number
they
one.
are. I don't understand why.
Our lovable larrikin lobby, the yabby farmer, he's had to go up north to go
And fish for normal fish because he's...
fishing because his yabby situation was that bad. But we're going to get a wet season. If we get a good summer, we get some yabbies on, we will certainly do the yabby dish because it is a unique way of cooking yabbies. Everyone told us we couldn't do it.
Yeah, it's
We
really
proved them
good.
wrong.
So, El Peter Iwanu. I'm hoping that that's right. Hello, Gorge. So, here's an interesting fun fact too. We were talking about the finger rule with the steak, and Jess has said, really funny how you guys were talking about the finger steak rule because my teacher spoke about that the next day. So, see, it's a thing. Didn't make it up. Right, so, absolutely, that should be a good video, that, because the steak was smashing. So, it's that time of the night, guys, whereby it's Thursday and we've got another gift card to give away for someone,
yes.
for someone who has cooked one of our recipes. And as we've said, the only rule is that you've just got to load a photo up and tag us in on it. And you need to actually tag the photo. So if you put at Champagne Food on a Beer Budget in your text, it won't send me a link to it. If you actually tag us into the photo, then it will send me a link to it so that I know that you've cooked it. Doesn't matter, you don't have to cook what we've cooked that week. You can cook a recipe from 3 weeks ago if you want to.
But please make it one of our recipes and give us a little vlog about what you enjoyed about it, or what was easy, what was hard, what you changed.
And then you're in the running. And so far, because people keep telling us that they've tried it and made it and then they're not posting anything, we've had very few entries. So the entry situation, the people that are actually entering are winning. So you need to get onto it, gang.
Can't win it if you don't go in it. And we're not the sort of people that are hitting up. It has to be the most spectacular, amazing looking dish.
Not at all.
We're simple cooks. We like people having a simple go.
Yeah, because that's just what we do at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So, drum roll time.
Look at the size of that.
I know, right?
I'm nearly full already.
Yeah, drum roll.
Drum
roll. And this week's winner is Deb Dalton. Woo!
Well done, Deb.
Also known as Deb Bolton. So,
What did Deb do?
Deb did our quiche, and
There you go. That's two. That's one with the quiche.
exactly. And
That's right. You showed me the picture. She did it in one of the Aldi pie cooks.
She did.
As well, and it looked better than ours as well.
So, you know.
She didn't send us any to see if it tastes better
Could I
than
take
ours.
out
But
the oyster sauce as mum has allergy? Oh, that's right.
instead of oyster sauce, was it?
Yeah. I wonder what you'd be able to do. You want something that's still umami, though. Ned says, congratulations, Deb. Isabel Addie's saying, well done, Deb. Deb Dalto saying, hurrah, woohoo, how exciting, and thank you. Pleasure. So you're going to have
I'll bite the bullet here.
you have to DM me as well with your address, and I'll post those off probably Monday next week.
This isn't going to be fun, is it?
I don't know.
Jesus, it's not a huge.
Yeah, but it's made with oysters and she's allergic.
That's right. So I'm just thinking flavour-wise, you could nearly. I mean, it's a nice thick
Let me
sauce.
think, hang on. What's the other Asian-y one that I'm thinking of? Do you know what? I'd probably try, it's not going to obviously be exactly the same, but try hoisin. Try hoisin because you've still got that richness. That's quite sweet.
It is quite sweet.
Yeah, or do a bit of hoisin with...
So I wonder whether you could actually get away with a little bit of hoisin and it's going to sound
I'm
weird.
thinking Worcestershire.
So am I.
Yeah.
Worcestershire.
Yeah.
So I'll probably go a little bit of Worcestershire and hoisin. I think that'll give you that umami flavour and you would struggle to pick the difference.
Oh, so there you go. Isabel Addy is saying you can get vegetable oyster sauce that tastes just the same. So look that up. Where do you get that, Isabel? Thank you for letting us know. Deb saying, thank you everyone. This is so exciting. Thank you for the pie maker idea. I'm having so much fun with it. That's fantastic.
There you go. Your voucher nearly paid for your pie maker.
Yeah, exactly. So that's probably pretty much us, guys, for this week.
Did we get any Netflix ideas?
Did you ask?
I'm going to make popcorn next, and yeah, I did. And you've got good Netflix
I
movies.
don't know. We'll have to go back through some comments. So, oh, here we go. What's awesome? Thanks. Okay, great idea. Isabel is saying most Chinese retailers and supermarkets. So, there you go. Uru, guys, it's bedtime. See you, Nettie. And
I still reckon roasted pine nuts would have been nice in this too.
yeah, I don't know about that one. Pine nuts is
I
such
love
a
roasted
special.
pine nuts.
I love toasted pine nuts. But anyway, we're going to let you guys go. We're going to clean up. We're going to go and watch a movie of some sort. Mick's going to make me
And I'm
some
going to come
popcorn.
back huge because I reckon I'm going to try and eat all of this. It's yum.
Netflix Breaking, great movie B. Breaking. Oh, cool. Okay, thank you.
Baking, okay.
That's Isabel as well. You've been very helpful today, Isabel. That's awesome. So, for those of you that are still here, good night. See you Monday. Hopefully by Monday we'll be able to let you in on our great news. And
A little bit of fun.
yeah.
And for all you diehards that are, what do we call them? You
Jammies.
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 You jammies have certainly recognised the set.
Exactly. So anyway, we'll fill you in on some more details next week. Don't panic though, because I'll put it across all social platforms as soon as we know, in case it happens to be a Tuesday or a Wednesday. But next week will be the time. And
We had great fun with it. It did get shortened, obviously,
it was
but
heaps of fun.
we had some fun.
We feel a bit privileged. So yeah, Night, John. Everyone's saying good night, good night, good
Good night.
night. So that's
Very well.
awesome, guys. Have a great weekend.
Have a good weekend. We'll see you on Monday.
Ciao, ciao.
Hooroo.